Tree stands are a great tool for deer hunters. Whether you're shooting with a rifle or with a bow, you get the best shots from up top. Plus, you can't beat the view up there when you're waiting for game to approach.
The thing is, you can pop up a ground blind just about anywhere, but to properly set up a tree stand, you'll need a strong, straight tree and a great location. When choosing a spot to set up your tree stand, use Google Maps to check out a satellite image of the hunting area. Look for the sweet spot. This will be an area where two ridges, fence lines, ditches, or tree lines meet. These kinds of crossroads and the edge lines of hunting areas are where you'll be most likely to spot deer. Found your spot? Great, let's get you set up. There are a few different types of tree stands you can use. There are the hang-on or lock-on stands, there are the self-climbing or climber stands, and there are the ladder stands. Ladder stands are the safest stand option, and some are designed with larger platforms to accommodate more than one hunter at a time. Some ladder stands will even have a blind or a roof to camouflage your movements and to help shelter you from the weather. This is a great feature. It can get windy at the top. Ladder stands are a ladder platform combination. They're safe to use and easy to enter and exit. However, they're not the easiest stand to set up. Most are made of heavy steel and will require a group effort to assemble. So depending on where you're going to be hunting, you may need an ATV to get your ladder stand to your hunting location. Once you've found your tree, get started by setting up the ladder base about 3 to 4 feet away from the base of the trunk. Then, with help from your friends, raise and position the ladder on the tree and shimmy it around until it feels stable and solid on the ground. Then, ask someone to hold on to the bottom of the ladder so that you can safely climb up to secure the platform stabilizer bars and straps.
You want to set up your tree stand well in advance of your hunt. Why? Well, the same reason you wouldn't try to go fishing after ripping up the lake in a boat. The deer are going to hear you and your buddies trying to set up the tree stand and they're going to scatter. And can you blame them? I mean, if you were a deer, would you stick around to investigate? Another thing about tree stands, homemade ones are a really bad idea. Wood weakens with age and from outdoor exposure, so don't go to the shed. Go buy yourself a portable one. They'll go with you anywhere and they're way less likely to kill you.